Hello everybody, this is Luigi, and today we are playing Luigi's Basics 3.
Hurry up already, eh?
Oh look, there's Luigi! In his camping outfit. So this is the third Luigi's Basics game. That's all, folks. What are you doing? I see you are approaching me, Skinner. We would know what happens next.
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good ham.
You steam a good ham. Oh yeah. The Simpsons is a funny show. Yep. And the other one? Yep. The other one. The other one. That's it. Alright. So we'll be going to do some camping with Luigi.
Hurry up already, eh?
Okay, Luigi.
All right, all set.
Alright.
You might as well watch out for Shrek and maybe even traps. Also, if the fire goes out, I will kill you. Well, JJ,
Luigi, you're not killing me. Alright, let's get some sticks. Alright. Let's get some of the sticks. Ooh, there's the fire.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! It's like, damn, son. It's like, damn, son.
Oh yeah!
Alright, make sure the fire is like that. Oh, there's a tree that says 99. So let's get some other sticks. Alright, I think Luigi's setting the bear traps. Oh my god.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, damn, son. Alright, we can do it. This is actually pretty good. Shrek!
Oh yeah!
Oh my god! That tree's following me. Shrek. I saw Shrek! He's gonna take my sticks, isn't he? Run from Shrek. Run, run, run! Alright, make sure. Oh my god, we're actually doing good. No. Stop following me, Shrek! I'll be taking that donkey. I'll be taking that donkey. Oh my god. Alright, come on, we need to survive this. Alright. Countdown, countdown. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Woohoo! Luigi, so proud of you. Good job. You did it. Oh my god, we survived this. A friend messaged me. Anyways, we did it. Well, I'm so happy we did it. Alright. Anyways, I want to try it again to see some things. Cause we saw Luigi Chalmers, and we also saw Shrek. But we haven't seen Ugandan Knuckles yet.
Hurry up already, eh?
Alright, there's Luigi. Luigi's bus. Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, the clouds. Oh! End of my life. Please, I'm asking you nicely. Oh, there's a secret! Alright. Oh my god, this is cool.
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good ham.
Oh, hey. Hey, Chalmers. Running in the sky, running in the sky. It's a funny thing. Running in the sky, running in the sky.
Hurry up already, eh?
Calm down, Luigi. Alright. Let's find some things.
All right, all set. You might as well wash out for Shrek, as maybe even traps. Also, if the fire goes out, I will kill you. Well, JK, I will.
Oh, yeah.
Good luck.
Oh yeah. Alright, so Luigi wants to put wants the sticks, in the fire. Let's grab a lot of sticks. Wait, Shrek. Wait, we gotta be careful with Shrek, though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, name, son. Oh yeah. You're the best. Luigi's also the best. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Please keep the fire going. I see him. I can see you, Shrek.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. At least we got that. I can see you, Shrek. Grab more sticks. I'll be taking that donkey. Shrek would probably be like that. Hey, look.
I'll be taking that donkey.
That's funny. I'll be taking that donkey. Actually, Shrek is pretty funny. I love Shrek. I love Shrek. Alright, let's grab 3 sticks. It's fire. It's fire. Go fast, go fast. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Damn, son. You are pretty good at getting the sticks to the fire. Pretty good, son. You are pretty good at getting the sticks to the fire. Well, anyways. Grab 2 sticks. Alright, come on, run back. Run back to the fire. Run back to the fire. Oh my god, we are so close. We are so close to finishing it. Alright. Come on, come on. Go. We did it! Alright. Alright. Now the victory music was that Mario Party 3 victory music, which is cool. Thanks for playing. Another crap coming soon, because why not? Oh, Luigi, Kenny, and Sans. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.